everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to position form fields in Jotform. So, without further ado, let's begin. Make sure that you are logged into your Jotform account and then choose the project that you want to work on and click on Edit Form. Now, the easiest way to position form fields in Jotform is by using the drag and drop method. And this is how it's done. First, you're gonna left click on the form field that you want to reposition, and then you're gonna drag it to the position that you desire. Once done, you're simply gonna drop it, and that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you next video. Peace!